guys, if you want to see how to get this cute 4th of July shirt, go ahead and keep on watching. First, you want to start by getting your shirt completely wet. Next, you're going to want to wring it out and get as much water out as possible. Next, I was kind of deciding on what design I really wanted to do. I just decided to crumple it up and then section it off with rubber bands. The dye that I'm using, you just add water to it, shake it, and it is good to go. Also, you do want to wear gloves because this is what happens when you don't wear gloves. I will have everything linked down below. Here I'm just trying to decide which part I want red and which part I want white, even though you will find out soon that other parts end up getting red even that I didn't want to get red. Now you're going to go ahead and put this in a plastic bag and let it sit overnight.
"24 hours later."
Next, you're going to want to go ahead and rinse out all that excess dye. Once you do that, you're going to wash and dry like normal. For my words, I decided to use my circuit. Here I'm using the Sports Flex iron-on. It just stretches better. It's my preferred iron-on method. Here, I really need new boards. They're so not clean and sticky anymore. So for a hack, I actually take tape and then I tape down the sides. Make sure it is on iron-on, as well as mirror your image. I didn't show it, but I did mirror my image after this. And go ahead and cut out your design. Next, I'm going to go ahead and weed out all of the excess. If you want an in-depth tutorial on weeding and the circuit stuff in general, I will have a link down below where I go in more depth. I didn't really go in depth in this video. Next, you're going to want to iron your shirt down where you're going to put your design. Then you're going to want to line up your design as best as possible to try and get it right in the middle. Once you have your design how you want it, go ahead and iron it on. I am using an iron with no water and on the cotton setting. It is very, very important that you do not use water. Okay, here's the tricky part. You're going to want to peel relatively slowly, and if you do have some parts that come up, it's okay, just lay it back down and continue ironing on over it. As you can see later on in this clip, the of the part was giving me some really bad problems, but just continue to lay it back down, iron over it, maybe peel it in a few different directions, and eventually, I assure you, it will come up. And here's the final product. I really am very shocked at how this shirt came out. I absolutely love it. It turned out way better than I thought it was going to. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I will be posting every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.